Hello and welcome to another episode of Kids Cuisine. Today we will be making brownies. Start by heating up your oven to 375 degrees. And in a large bowl, add flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and chocolate chips. And whisk it all together until well combined. It should look like this. Whisk your eggs until frothy, and slowly add your mixture of flour and sugar and all that. If your batter is a bit thick, you can add a little bit of milk too, but add a little bit at a time so that it's not too runny. Once it's done, it should look smooth like this. Don't overmix it because then your brownies will be hard. Then spray your pan and add parchment paper on top. And then pour in all your batter and smooth it all on top, and then you can bake it. All ovens are different, so bake it until a fork comes out clean. Or until crispy and there's cracks in the center. And then you'll be all done.